So here we go, sun's setting, and this is all ready for the patio slabs. As you can see, there is so much soil. It is unbelievable how much soil we have dug out. And just over there are our slabs ready to go down. It doesn't look like a lot, but I promise you there is. I think there's like 70. And then we've got the hardcore just here as well, which, or sand, sorry, that's sand to make the cement. So there we go. Very grateful to our neighbours who have allowed Stuart to park on their drive for this to happen. Yes, it's going to be a really busy but fun weekend. Honestly, we feel so grateful to have this opportunity to create our own garden. Watch this space though, loves. Guys, so we've started, or Stuart started, bless his heart, the little steps in place, and the first 3 slabs are down. I promise you they are the same colour, just these are a year old, so they'll all age well. And to be honest, these need a good clean. Bless him, he's working his socks off. I'm very grateful. He used to do patios for a living, but I've got a feeling this is going to stretch into next weekend too, but that's okay. You know, he can do what he can do.
Good morning from a very foggy garden. The rain has just started, but it's not going to stop us. And we've set up for a day of patio building. We're just going to drop the dogs off at the groomers, and then we shall be starting. Can't wait to get rid of this mud in this garden.
Chilly garden, but here we go. Stuart worked his socks off yesterday, and we have a disco floor in our garden. How amazing has he done? Now, that area there that's full of concrete, we are just going to smooth that over, bring it up to level, because the new shed is going to come out really far. We've got a nice little step here. Now these slabs will also wear and colour to the same, although this is quite orange, the old one, because of the sand. We've got this corner to do today. So yesterday we done loads. Another update. This patio is all but done. We ran out of sand just in that corner, so that needs to be finished. But this one is looking fantastic. Here we go. It's still drying out. Over here, as I say, this is where the shed base is going to be. It's going to come out about this far, all the way along. It's huge. So we just created this base, and of course we had to write our names on there. But it's all looking good, guys. So much more to happen. We've put some edge in, we've got some roll, and yeah, it's going to be coming together. We've got so many ideas to make it look pretty out here, and we cannot wait to show you.